shedding light on respiratory problems in children with cerebral palsy. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Respiratory issues pose significant challenges for children with cerebral palsy, CP. Children with CP often experience complex health challenges that extend beyond their primary condition. Notably, respiratory problems are very common and serious, and even with improvements in healthcare, they are still the main cause of high morbidity and mortality among these children. The purpose of this review is to examine and summarize the most common pulmonary problems in CP children or when CP is a part of another syndrome, and to analyze the most common predisposing risk factors for them. This review focuses on the complex factors that affect the breathing of individuals with CP. Repeated lung infections are a major source of problems for this population, highlighting the need to improve their airway health to boost their well-being and lifespan. This review adopted a systematic approach to identify and synthesize recent research on respiratory or pulmonary problems in children, specifically focusing on those with CP. Following the PRISMA guideline, a comprehensive search was conducted across two major scientific databases, PubMed and Scopus, between September 2023 and December 2024. The search utilized combinations of the keywords cerebral palsy, CP, pulmonary problems, respiratory problems, lung problems, or pulmonary infections. No restrictions were imposed regarding the publication date. Eligible studies were required to be original research exploring risk factors influencing respiratory problems in this population, or involving CP children as part of conditions affecting respiratory health. Identifying respiratory illnesses in CP patients can be difficult because their symptoms might be unusual, they may communicate indirectly, testing options can be limited, and getting medical evaluations can be hard. Common risk factors for lung infections include intermittent aspiration, compromised airway clearance, and spinal or chest wall deformities. In addition, nutritive status plays a major role in the results for CP children, with malnutrition being widespread and affecting both their respiratory system and overall well-being. Therefore, an interdisciplinary approach is pivotal to managing these multifaceted issues, challenging the collaboration of specialists and interventions targeting colorful aspects of CP-related respiratory problems. This review emphasizes the significance of early identification, comprehensive evaluation, and acclimatized interventions to improve the respiratory health of CP children. In conclusion, cerebral palsy's impact on childhood disability is underscored by its significant influence on respiratory health. Respiratory issues, ranging from aspiration to deformities and compromised function, play a pivotal role in morbidity and mortality. Through collaboration and expertise, this intricate respiratory landscape with precision, empathy, and dedication can be navigated. Introduction. Cerebral palsy, CP, is a group of lifelong conditions caused by early brain damage, often during pregnancy, birth, or shortly after. It affects how children move, think, and process sensations. Although the brain injury doesn't get worse over time, the challenges children face can change as they grow. CP is the most common cause of childhood disability, and children with CP often experience delays in development. Movement difficulties are the main feature, but many also have problems with speech, learning, behavior, and seizures. Some children may also have vision or hearing issues, joint or bone problems, and difficulties with eating or digestion. One of the most serious concerns in children with CP is breathing problems, which can lead to frequent lung infections and other complications. These issues are more common and severe in children who have greater movement difficulties. Lung problems are a leading cause of illness and early death in children with CP. Understanding the risks and taking steps to manage these breathing issues early is key to improving their quality of life. This review focuses on the most common lung problems in children with CP and the main risk factors that contribute to them. Conclusion. Cerebral palsy's impact on childhood disability is underscored by its significant influence on respiratory health, Peneva et al., 2023. Respiratory issues, ranging from aspiration to deformities and compromised function, play a pivotal role in morbidity and mortality. A multidisciplinary approach is essential, guided by an understanding of risk factors and precise interventions. By recognizing these complexities, we can forge a path towards improved care and quality of life for these individuals. Through collaboration and expertise, we can navigate this intricate respiratory landscape with precision, empathy, and dedication. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.